Today is interesting because we are putting up a roof over the kiln we made a few weeks ago. I think it's coming to a month. It's been raining quite a lot, and it has started affecting the kiln. And the disadvantage was that I used fired bricks. So we thought today would be good. It's shining. We just put a roof over it. You can visibly see how the rain has been affecting this. I hope after today this won't be a problem anymore. The idea is we put in 2 holes in the ground, then we just connect the roof over the kiln over the lower roof, so it doesn't like drizzle onto it. It's interesting when you're dealing with a hilly place because the gradient changes, so you have to put so much in mind. But initially we never thought we would have a kiln, but everything keeps coming with time. So whenever you build, you have to leave yourself some room to adjust if the need comes for you to do that. These are the cracks that were caused by the rain, because if it keeps raining and they haven't set yet, the bricks haven't set, they don't absorb water as quick as the unfired bricks. For instance, in this one here, you can see. So we use the unfired bricks, so the cracks are minimal because it's the same material, it's the same body, so the absorption rate is uniform. I'm currently in the kiln. When the fire comes from up down here, it goes into the chimney. So that chimney goes all the way to that. So that's our chimney that lets out there, and that would be our firebox down there. We hope I hope to be using this for the larger pieces that I'm going to be making in the upcoming months. So the holes are done. We are not making them so deep because it's something temporary for now. So one of the holes is right there. We are going to put this pole, yeah, right there. And the next phase we are putting in this one. So this is the second one, and we shall be doing the same thing as we have done to the first one. First we secure it with some dirt, then we put in the fired bricks to secure it in place. So this is what it looks like after you've stamped the pole in, and so we are doing the second one too. That's all. That went well. I don't think we shall have any problems with water anymore. So where it is right now, the cracking won't be as prominent as it were before. So I think with that, I'll catch you in another one. Thank you for watching.